Hi girls, I hope every BPW sister in Taiwan is okay. I am Isa from Young BPW Brazil, and I am going to show you a little bit about the metaverse space that we have available for you and how you can enter it. So first of all, the first thing you need, and I would recommend, is using your computer. You can definitely use your cell phone or an iPad or any tablet that you have, but it's a different process that I'm going to show you later. At first, we're going to start with the basics and the easiest way to enter the metaverse space, which is using your computer. So I have my computer here, right here, and you're seeing my screen. The first thing that I'm going to do is choose a web browser. The one that I use is Google Chrome, but you can use Mozilla, you can use Safari, you can use whichever web browser that you prefer. You can even use Microsoft Edge as well. So I'm just going to open here my Google Chrome, and I am going to open a window right here, which is a guest window, so I don't have anything logged in. And I'm going to put here in the web browser, I'm just going to put the link that it's going to be available for you, which is the direct link for you to enter the BPW Brazil metaverse space. So you just put on the link there and you click it. The page is in English, and it's going to open in a little bit. So you can already see here, it's saying BPW Brazil. It's launching the metaverse space, connecting to the servers and everything. It's pretty easy and pretty simple to use. And there you go. We are inside the metaverse space here for BPW Brazil. You can use your keyboard to move with these letters. So you can just move clicking W, A, S, or D. You can use Shift to run, and you can use the space bar to jump. You can also use the arrows to rotate your camera and everything. I would just use the arrows because I think it's easier. So you just use the arrows from up and down. So you just go ahead or backwards. To go to the sides, you can use the side arrows as well. And this is what it looks like. I am going to enter our conference space here in the metaverse space. So what you're seeing right now is just the logos of our sponsors. Because like I told you, we got sponsors that paid for this metaverse space for the whole year, actually for 2 years, so we don't have to worry about that. And now we are entering our conference space. The first thing that I wanted to say is, once you enter the metaverse space like I did right now, you are given an avatar. I'm going to send another video later explaining how you can create your own avatar. But at first, we're just entering the space and seeing what it looks like. So whenever someone is sharing the screen, it's going to appear here. If you want to sit, you just click F. And it's going to sit on the chairs right here, and the person that it's going to speak can just be in front. So I'm just gonna go up here, and you can just see what it looks like. So this is the person that's going to be speaking. You're going to see all the persons, like all the people sitting down here, which is pretty easy to use. We have very similar controls to Zoom that I'm going to show in another video later. But this is basically what you're going to have to do. You're just going to have to enter the metaverse space and sit in one of the chairs so you can watch the session for the academy. Okay, so next videos, I'm going to show more things.